Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my review of the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. If you're looking for a nourishing and hydrating solution for your lips, keep watching because this product might just be what you've been searching for. Review: I've been using the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask for the past few weeks, and I must say, it has become an essential part of my nighttime skincare routine. Let's dive into the details and discuss why I highly recommend this product. Nourishing Formula: The LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is formulated with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are known for their beneficial properties. This mask helps to nourish and rejuvenate the delicate skin on your lips, leaving them feeling soft and supple. I've noticed a significant improvement in the overall condition of my lips since incorporating this product into my routine. Hydration power: One of the standout features of this lip mask is its ability to provide intense hydration. The rich, balm-like texture glides smoothly onto the lips, creating a protective barrier that locks in moisture. I wake up in the morning with beautifully moisturized lips, and even throughout the day, my lips feel hydrated and plump. Convenience and packaging: The packaging of the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is not only visually appealing but also practical. The small, compact jar is travel-friendly and easy to carry in your bag or purse. Additionally, a little goes a long way with this product, so despite the small size, it lasts for a considerable amount of time. Soothing experience: Using this lip mask before bed has become a relaxing and enjoyable ritual for me. The gentle scent and smooth texture create a soothing experience that helps me unwind after a long day. It's like giving my lips a pampering treat before I sleep. Results and recommendation: In terms of results, I have seen a noticeable improvement in the overall texture and appearance of my lips. They feel softer, smoother, and more nourished. If you suffer from dry, chapped lips or simply want to take your lip care routine to the next level, I highly recommend giving the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask a try. Conclusion: To wrap up this review, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is a game-changer when it comes to lip care. Its nourishing formula, hydrating power, and convenient packaging make it a standout product. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or someone looking for a solution to dry lips, I believe this product can make a significant difference. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below if you're interested in trying it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Disclaimer: This review is based on my personal experience with the product. Individual results may vary. Please make sure to read the product information and consult a dermatologist if you have any specific concerns or allergies. Remember to tailor the review according to your personal experience and thoughts about the product. Feel free to add any additional details or points that you find relevant. Good luck with your YouTube review.